What is going on, guys? We are at Ike's work and we are working on our kids ATV 125cc automatic pig. So it's super slow, got a 125, we think it should be faster. So we're gonna do something about that. We have some parts from GoPowersports.com. We have a couple of different carburetors to throw on it, as well as a header we're gonna cut and probably weld in place on it, because it's also kind of quiet. Hey, who that is?
My buddy Jason. He hadn't been in the videos in a while.
A lot of you guys were saying that it has a throttle screw that might not be turned out all the way. We're looking into that.
I believe that this is the throttle screw that everybody's talking about.
That's a cute little carburetor.
Oh, we're getting more throttle.
Really?
Yeah, we sure are.
That might have been right.
You know what? We're just gonna take it all the way out.
Yep.
You know we gotta try it out. Ah. What was that? Sounds like it's backfiring through the carburetor. Man, it's cold. Feels better. Oops.
Have it on 2 wheels. Yep.
I think we still ought to do a valve adjustment. Yeah. Much better. Yeah, it looks much better. All right, the guys on the internet were right. Thank you. But we're still gonna do
Valve adjustment?
valve
We
adjustment.
never check the oil.
Never check the oil.
Might as well do carb. Just taking the carb off.
You wanna pinch this on the fuel line.
Okay. It's got the stick.
It's got the stick.
Alrighty,
See what we
let's
got
take a look
here.
at this carb.
I didn't know it, but it's like a Mikuni style carburetor. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. Let's get into it. First off, I'm gonna take off the filter. That filter looks
Nasty.
pretty nasty. What do we got?
No, it's not identical. We got it's a different style, but
Ooh,
they look
bigger.
pretty darn similar though.
I think that one.
No, I don't know, dude. Actually,
Yeah.
yeah, it's bigger. Cool.
Oh yeah.
As long as it bolts up, let's take a look
And
real
if it
quick.
bolts up,
These are lined up.
I'm game. That filter is nasty. What do you think you're gonna find inside, bud?
I'm gonna say a bunch of corrosion.
I don't say corrosion, but there's gonna be some trash. No.
Wow, it's actually clean.
It is actually really
Dude.
good. Oh, I see water in there.
I was gonna say, is there any water?
Yep, there's some water in here. I'm gonna call this one done, bud.
Okay.
It was pretty clean. I didn't see anything wrong with it, but I did go ahead and drill out the jet.
All right. We're gonna use the old carburetor just for a minute because Ike drilled the jet out and we wanna see if it's gonna make any kind of difference. And it took like 2 minutes to take off. So we're gonna give it a shot. And then when we're not happy with it, we're gonna put the new carb on.
So I feel like taking the muffler apart. Is that wood screws? This is definitely robbing horsepower here. This is gonna add at least 5 horsepower. You know what? We need some modifications.
Oh, it's going along just fine.
Good.
I'm gonna set the valve lash to 3 thousandths.
We don't know what it is.
Nope. Just figure that's a decent
Seems
something
like
to start with.
A good place to start.
Because we can't actually get the feeler gauge in there. So I'm just gonna tighten it a hair. Give it a shot. So we made some really small adjustments to our intake and exhaust valve lashes. Checked the oil, it was low, probably never been changed. So we just added a little bit. And Ike's gassing her up. Got the carb on, gonna go for a ride. It's gassy. Actually, like, not that bad.
Okay.
It's pretty fun.
Let me try.
Yeah. Got you, dog.
The way my feet standing there, I was scared to do too much.
Yeah.
Dude, it didn't do a crossover.
It feels so much better.
We are pretty satisfied with the performance with this 125. Cleaning the carburetor sure helped. The jet really helped, and the valve adjustment too. That helped. But we're just swapping carbs just to see if we can get any more performance out of this little 125. I mean, you know, if we're trying to go fast, 125 is not ideal. But why not try? I got it.
Good.
It's a little toasty under here.
Alright, dude. We are hooked up. Try
Cool.
the throttle. Still feel the same?
Feels good. Cool, let's make this ride a quick when it's cold out there.
Now, make sure it's in neutral.
Alright, you want to ride real quick or what?
Yeah. All right, a little bit more playing and it'll be pretty respectable.
I think so. I hope so.
However, I still want to go with a bigger engine.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I want this thing to when we take off and stop.
So you thinking tomorrow we I don't know, just go goof around off road with this on the TrailMaster?
Yeah.
Just a little bit?
Yeah, sure.
Cool. All right, we will see you tomorrow. Good afternoon. We're about to do some riding with the new 125 ATV and the TrailMaster. So Ikey Poo's on the ATV. I'm on the TrailMaster. Gonna turn the heated seat on. We're gonna go do some riding. That is absolutely struggling, isn't it?
The light's reversed.
What?
The light's reversed.
That's really weird.
Yeah.
Wow. All right. Yes! Yes! Cut it off. Dude! Flying too close to the sun. Oh no, our headlight. Does it still work? Oh, it still works. We can just bend it back. Dude.
Yeah?
The mud kicked our butts today. You're gonna show me how it's done now?
Sure.
Alright. Ooh. You good? How you doing?
Been about knee deep, huh?
Yes, sir. So, ATV's dead, but it'll be back next week with, shoot, I don't even know.
It'll be back.
Yeah, maybe a sprocket.
With some improvements.
Yeah, but we just got a washer in that is vital to me putting the engine back in my only car, so we're gonna go do that, and you're gonna see that Monday. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Cars and Cameras Reviews.
Check me out at Isaac, it'll be fine.
Shirts, stickers, hoodies, hats at cars-cameras.com. We got to thank our sponsor, GoPowersports.com as well. 140 with a 3-speed, or what you guys thinking? We might get yelled at, but wish us luck. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one.